Hi folks, this is Dad and welcome back. This is the Zheng Sheng. It's a folding chef knife available off of Amazon.com right now for $20.88. It comes in at about, 4.8 inches, the blade. It's 10 and a quarter folded out, and folded up it is 5.25 inches. It weighs 3 and a quarter ounces or 108 grams, and it's sharp. They called it a chef's knife, so it's got this really cool rocking shape to it. Or if you're an Italian mobster like myself and you feel like it's just something else, you know what you're doing. Okay, but $20.88. Is it any good? Well, I had to put it to the test. I used it for about a month and a half. Took it everywhere from outdoors to church to indoors to cutting up tomatoes and scraping the bar. And I'll tell you what, it held up. The blade has no nicks and chips that you can see from the naked eye. Can it be sharpened? I'm sure it can. It's 440A steel. That's great. And I'll tell you what, folks, for $20.88, it didn't break my bank. It didn't set me back a whole lot. And as far as I'm concerned, it did its job. Will it hold up a year? Yes. It's got safety screws in there which you can tighten up. Every part of it is adjustable, as long as you don't lose those pieces. So this is HisDad saying, if you see this on Amazon, it is the Zheng Sheng folding chef knife. Very sharp, folks. Go get it if that's what you want. Okay? I love you. And remember, I bought it and tried it so you didn't have to. Remember, also, hit the like and subscribe button. I love you. Bye-bye.